Welcome to Prince Chakras, where we explore the intersection of mind, body, and spirit. Today we're delving into a topic that's often debated but rarely understood: the profound effects of pornography on the human brain. Have you ever wondered how pornography affects your brain? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Our brains, these intricate networks of neurons, are not as fixed as we once believed. They're malleable, capable of changing and adapting in response to different stimuli. This concept, known as neuroplasticity, is central to our understanding of how habits and behaviors shape our minds. Now consider pornography. It's a potent stimulus, and like other stimuli, it can influence the wiring of our brains. Recent research has begun to shed light on this dynamic relationship. Scientists are unraveling how exposure to pornography can lead to changes in the brain's structure and function. From altering neural pathways to modifying our responses to sexual stimuli, the impact of pornography is far-reaching. But don't take my word for it. Over the course of this video, we'll explore the science behind these claims. As we delve deeper, we will unveil the profound ways in which pornography can shape our brain's structure and function. When you watch pornography, what happens inside your brain? Well, let's delve into the fascinating realm of neuroscience to understand this. At the heart of our brain's workings is the reward system. This complex network of neurons is designed to reinforce behaviors that are essential for our survival, such as eating and socializing, by releasing a neurotransmitter called dopamine. Now, dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good chemical because it creates feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. When you watch pornography, this reward system is activated and a rush of dopamine is released, leading to feelings of intense pleasure. This is why viewing explicit content can be so enticing and habit-forming. However, the brain's reward system isn't designed to handle the overstimulation that pornography provides. As you repeatedly expose your brain to explicit content, it starts to adapt. This adaptation is known as tolerance. Just like how a person might need more coffee over time to get the same energy boost, someone who frequently views pornography might find they need more intense or novel content to achieve the same dopamine rush. This is where the danger lies. The constant search for more intense stimuli to achieve the same level of pleasure can lead to a cycle of addiction. The brain becomes wired to seek out this hyperstimulation, often at the cost of healthy relationships and personal well-being. Your brain is a powerful tool, so let's treat it with the care it deserves. But how does this constant exposure to pornography physically change your brain? Well, it all boils down to a phenomenon we call neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's superpower. It's the ability of your brain to form new connections and pathways in response to experiences. It's a lot like carving a path through a dense forest. Each time you walk along the same trail, you reinforce the path, making it easier to follow next time. Now consider the impact of repeated exposure to pornography. Each time you consume pornographic content, your brain is carving out new neural pathways, making associations between sexual arousal and these specific images or scenes. And just like the trail in the forest, the more you tread this path, the deeper it gets, and the easier it becomes to follow. In essence, the brain starts to prefer the pathway associated with pornography because it's the one it knows best. This is where the challenge lies. The brain's flexibility is a fantastic feature that allows us to learn and adapt, but it can also be our downfall when it comes to addictive behaviors. The brain doesn't distinguish between good or bad habits. It simply strengthens the pathways that are used most frequently. So, with constant exposure to pornography, these pathways become deeply ingrained, creating a strong association between sexual arousal and pornographic imagery. The brain's plasticity, while an incredible feature, can unfortunately play a major role in the formation of addictive behavior. What are the potential consequences of these brain changes, and is recovery possible? Let's delve into that. The brain changes caused by pornography can lead to a myriad of issues. Decreased sexual satisfaction is one of the most common consequences, as the brain becomes accustomed to the unrealistic scenarios often portrayed in pornography. This can result in difficulties in real-life intimate relationships, as expectations may not align with reality. Moreover, these changes can lead to relationship problems. Trust can be eroded, and emotional bonds may weaken due to excessive pornography use. Mental health issues may also arise, including anxiety and depression, as the individual becomes overly reliant on pornography for dopamine release. But here's the silver lining. The same plasticity that allowed the brain to rewire itself towards pornography can also be harnessed for recovery. With time, therapy, and support, it's possible to rewire the brain away from pornography use. While the impact of pornography on the brain is profound, the power to change and recover is within our grasp. Now let's talk solutions. Awareness is the first step. Recognizing the potential consequences of excessive porn consumption is crucial. finding healthy activities to replace the habit is also essential. Engaging in hobbies, exercise, or mindfulness practices can redirect the brain's reward system. Remember, you have the strength to make conscious choices that positively influence your life. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel, Prince Chakras, for more insights into nurturing a harmonious mind, body, and spirit. Stay mindful, seek balance, and take care of yourself. And until next time, wishing you peace and wellness. Take care.